Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out the ColourPop X Powerpuff Girls palette. I know, I'm sorry, this is so old, this is well delayed, but I'm still excited all the same. So this is how the palette looks. This collection came out, oh god, maybe like, I feel like it's like 2 years ago now, which is absolutely insane, and I'm really sorry, but we're here now. So this is how the palette looks. Oh, it's actually stunning. I don't know why I never filmed a collection review on this. I'm silly. I don't know. But anyway, that's in the past. I'm doing videos again now, and that's all that matters. I can't think about mistakes that I've made in the past or anything like that. So, yeah. This is a palette. I'm super excited. I think it is the cutest thing ever. I absolutely love the Powerpuff Girls. I just feel like they are so nostalgic, and yeah, so I'm just really excited. So let's get into it. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going to do today. We're just kind of going to take it as it comes. I'm first just quickly priming my eyes with the P. Louise base in Rumor 01. I don't even know if you can still get this collection, but I know that it was very popular at the time. So I know that there are people that would still have this palette. I'm gonna quickly check in a second and see if it is something you can still get. Guys, I'm actually stressing so bad right now. Let me quickly look at ColourPop Cosmetics and then I'll tell you why I'm stressed. Okay, it looks like it's still up. Okay, yeah, no, you can still get some of it. You can't get the palette anymore, that's such a shame, but you can get the lip mask. You can also get the bath bomb, the blushes, and some of the hair clips. But yeah, this palette was, this collection was so awesome. I loved it. When are they going to restock Alice in Wonderland? Because I really want that. Have they already restocked it? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, you can still get some of the collection. I don't know, hopefully they bring it back one day, because I think this collection was so fun and so cool. But anyway, so yeah, I'm super stressed because tomorrow part 2 of the Glamlight X Scooby-Doo collection comes out, and I need that. Like, I honestly feel like my life depends on it. Like, that's how strongly I feel about getting this collection. It comes out at 1 AM in the morning, and I have to be up for work at 4:30. So I don't know if I want to wake up at 1 AM, go through all that hassle, and then have to wake up like in 3 hours. So really tossing up. I don't know what to do. Okay, guys, what kind of look should we do for today? This is stressful. Okay. The first colour that I'm going to take is called the Fashionistas, and it's a pink shade. And I'm just going to put that all over. Let's just give it a go. Just put it everywhere. This palette is so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, I've got a little hair on me. Like, I love it. But yeah, so anyway, I'm really hoping to get this Glamlight and Scooby-Doo collection, or I might just cry. It looks so good, and they said there's like super limited quantities. I'm just like, stop stressing me out like that. Like, I need it. I love Glamlight. Like, Glamlight has quickly become one of my like favorite brands. I feel like you guys can probably tell I'm always raving about them on my channel. But yeah, I really like Glamlight. I think they're just, makeup these days, it's oversaturated. I feel like the makeup game has dropped off a little bit. Like, I feel like, I don't know, like, it's really hard these days to come out with a collection that's exciting and fresh and new. Like, everything has been done. Like, there's makeup releases every other day, and now I feel like most brands are not even, like, it seems like there's nothing new coming out. Like, because I feel like, in past years, like, it was, like, new makeup, like, every day, and then like now it's like there's nothing coming out. Like, it's like crickets in the makeup game at the moment. I don't know if it feels like that for anyone else, but that's how I feel. But Glamlight really, and ColourPop, those are the two, and P. Louise and Be Perfect. Those are like my favorite brands at the moment. I just feel like they're keeping things like fun and fresh and exciting, and it really, like, they are the brands that remind me, like, take me back to the nostalgia of when I like very first started makeup, because that's how it was. It was fun and exciting and everything was new and cool. And anyway, the next colour I'm going to go into is the shade called Girls Rock. It's like this orangey shade. I'm just going to put that on next and like put this one more through like the crease, not bring it up as high. But yeah, so I'm really excited for this Scooby one. I really hope I get it. If I don't know what I will do. Probably cry. So yeah, I really can't decide yet if I want to wake up early or if I just risk it. I'll have to wait and see. See, I'm just taking this Girls Rock shade and I'm just putting that through the crease and bringing it up just a little. And then we're just going to give it a blend. Just make sure it's all cohesive. Okay, then there's a shade in the palette called Pokey Oaks, and it's like a kind of pinky brown. And that's going to be like the darkest colour that I put on today. There's not a whole lot of mattes. There's 5 mattes in the palette, so we're limited with mattes, but I feel like this Pokey Oaks is not doing what I need it to right now, but it's okay. I was hoping it to be like a little bit darker just so I could create like a little bit more definition, because I feel like at the moment this is kind of just looking like one big blob of like pink. But anyway, I'm gonna cut the crease today, so hopefully that should help break things up a little bit. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna grab a big blendy brush now, and I'm just gonna use that to blend everything. Just like that. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna cut my crease, and then we will be back to finish off the eye look. Okay, so I just cut the crease with the P. Louise eye base in room 01. Room 0. So what I'm gonna do now is go back into that Pokey Oaks shade. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but we're gonna give it a go. So I'm just gonna use that like to just blend that cut crease. And then I'm gonna take a different shimmer. I think I'm gonna take this one here. It's called Townsville. It's really, really pretty. And I'm gonna put that on like majority of the cut crease. Okay, new plan. I'm gonna take the shimmer shade called The Mayor first. Put that on first and then put some of this glittery stuff over the top. I'm gonna leave it about there. And I'll put some of that Townsville shade over the top. I'm going to take the blue shade, the blue glitter shade called Superheroes, and put that like in the inner corner. See, normally I feel like I do this the other way, like I put blue on most of the lid and then put like the more neutral shade in the inner corner, but I'm mixing it up today. Okay, like that. I'm not sure what I think. I feel like, it's quite subtle, but alright, I feel like we're gonna have to judge it after we put liner and lashes on. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do some liner, chuck my lashes on, do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did go in with the Powerpuff Girls, what are they? The colour sticks, and I just ran those under the lower lash. I'll show you those in I'll show you a close-up in a minute. And I also went in with the Powerpuff Girls blush in the shade Saving the World. It's definitely not my favourite look I'm a little bit disappointed. I feel like the vision I had in my head was a lot nicer than this, but anyway, I do really like the palette. Like, I love ColourPop formula. I feel like it's obviously not, the thing with ColourPop is I feel like they do a lot of stuff that is like for collectors and people that like to play with makeup. Obviously this isn't something that you're going to get a ton of versatile looks out of or anything like that, but I still love it. I feel like it's so nostalgic. I love the packaging. I just love everything about it. And I feel like the colour story is very Powerpuff Girls. So yeah, good reviews all around. I'm just not super happy with the look I did, but here is a close-up. I was actually quite impressed with the colour sticks. I feel like you can't see them too well on camera, but they were super creamy when they went on, which I really wasn't expecting that. So this is how they look here. I'll actually just swatch them all for you. I kind of wish that I thought of the colour sticks first, because I would have put that more in my inner corner than the glitter shade that I use, but there's all 3 of them there. They're super pretty. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.